Good morning, Kenny.
Good morning.
It was a bad day yesterday.
Yeah.
How do you think?
I was yesterday with a bad day for the team. We lost one guy, and it's a shame. Pete broke his arm.
Are you also crashed?
No, I didn't crash, but almost.
Okay.
4 guys of us crashed in the same corner. I was really bad luck.
Okay. So today, it's are you ready for sprint?
I hope so. I had 2 bad luck days, and I missed the body in the second stage. The first stage I almost in the crash in the last corner, so I hope I can be in the front at the end of the final, and I hope I can do a sprint.
Okay. What's the possibility for you? The top 5, top 3?
Wow, we will see.
Or winning?
I hope I go for a top 5, but maybe more.
Maybe more.
We will see. We will see.
Okay.
How it goes.
Okay. Go Ski Shimano.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Ciao.